Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. I bow down to all the devotees who is here for listening the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sarveshwar Shri Krishna and Sarveshwari Shri Radharani. I bow down to all the devotees and the Lord who is residing in the heart of their devotees. Starting with our topic, the nectar of the holy name of Shri Krishna, I am here to inform you about an investigation into how transactional sound transforms consciousness and invokes spiritual ecstasy by Shubhananda Dasa. Chanting the Hare Krishna mantra and dancing in ecstasy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inaugurated in late 20th century India a massive religious revival that continues today in cities throughout the world. I do not know how much nectar the two syllables Krishna have produced. When the holy name of Krishna is chanted, it appears to dance within the mouth. We then desire many, many mouths. When the name enters the whole of the ears, we desire many millions of ears. And when the holy name dances in the courtyard of the heart, it conquers the activity of the mind, and therefore all the senses become inert. All glories to all blissful holy name of Sri Krishna, which causes the devotees to give up all conventional religious duties, meditation, and worship. When somehow or other uttered even once by a living entity, the holy name awards him liberation. The holy name of Krishna is the highest nectar. It is my very life and my only treasure. Heading towards the divine attributes of holy name of Sri Krishna is defining by that the name of God, being non-different from God, manifests all transactional potencies. An attribute is explained in this verse from Padma Puran. The holy name of Krishna is transactionally blissful. It bestows all spiritual benedictions, for it is Krishna himself, the reservoir of all pleasure. Krishna's name is complete and it is the form of all transactional mellows. It is not a material name under any condition, and it is no less powerful than Krishna himself. Since Krishna name is not contaminated by material qualities, there is no question of its being involved with Maya illusion. Krishna's name is always liberated and spiritual. It's never conditioned by the laws of material nature. This is because the name of Krishna and Krishna himself are identical. Now let us proceed with the further steps which states how to practice the name of holy name of Sri Krishna, the practice of chanting the holy name. Once in a state of devotional ecstasy, while in the company of two close followers, Swarup Damodar Goswami and Ramanand Rai, Sri Chaitanya described the quintessential importance of chanting with the mood of humility. He said, one who thinks himself lower than a grass, who is more tolerated than a tree, and who does not expect personal honor but is always prepared to give all respect to others, can very easily always chant the holy name of Lord. Commenting upon this famous verse, Krishna Kaviraj Goswami, author of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, declares, everyone please hear me. String this verse on the thread of the holy name and wear it on your neck for continuous remembrance. One must strictly follow the principle given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this verse. If one simply does so, certainly he will achieve the ultimate goal of life, the lotus feet of Sri Krishna.